Americans are quietly changing the way they think about computers in 2026, and one of the biggest shifts happening right now is the move away from bulky desktop PCs toward compact, powerful mini PCs that can fit in the palm of your hand, and this trend is being driven by a mix of rising costs, smarter hardware, and changing lifestyles across the USA. Traditional desktop PCs used to mean large towers, noisy fans, and dedicated desk space, but today's mini PCs deliver surprisingly strong performance while using a fraction of the space, electricity, and money, which is exactly what many American users are looking for. With more people working from home or in hybrid setups, space efficiency has become a priority, and mini PCs easily mount behind monitors or sit neatly on desks without clutter. At the same time, modern processors from Intel, AMD, and Apple-inspired ARM designs have become far more power efficient, allowing mini PCs to handle everyday tasks like video editing, coding, streaming, office work, and even light gaming without breaking a sweat. Another major reason Americans are choosing mini PCs is cost, because building or buying a full desktop PC in 2026 can be expensive due to higher GPU prices, inflation, and energy costs, while mini PCs often deliver enough power for most users at a much lower price point. Many people have realized they don't actually need a massive graphics card or a huge power supply to do their daily work, and mini PCs offer a smarter balance between performance and value. Power consumption also plays a huge role in this shift, as electricity prices in many US states have increased, and mini PCs are far more energy efficient than traditional desktops, making them cheaper to run long-term. Portability is another underrated advantage, since mini PCs are easy to move between home, office, or even travel setups, which appeals to freelancers, students, and digital nomads. Gaming has also changed the equation, because cloud gaming services and external GPU options now allow mini PCs to handle games without relying on large internal components, making them more versatile than ever before. Aesthetics matter too, as many Americans prefer clean, minimalist desk setups, and mini PCs fit perfectly into modern home offices without looking like old-school gaming towers. Businesses are also adopting mini PCs at a fast pace because they are easier to deploy, maintain, and replace, which further accelerates their popularity across the USA. Another factor driving this trend is the rise of multi-monitor and USB-C setups, where a single compact computer can power an entire workstation with just one cable, something that used to require a full desktop rig. As software becomes more optimized and cloud-based, the need for raw local power continues to decrease, making mini PCs more than capable for most real-world use cases. In 2026, Americans are no longer chasing the biggest and flashiest hardware just for the sake of it, and instead are choosing smarter, quieter, and more efficient machines that fit their actual needs, which is why mini PCs are rapidly replacing traditional desktop PCs across homes, offices, and creative spaces in the United States.